Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily pair your JBL Partybox on the Go 2 with your iPhone. It doesn't really matter if it's an iPhone 15 or 12 or X or 8S, the process is the same. At first you need to have your iPhone unlocked and then you need to go, wait a moment, to the settings. Once you are in the settings, you need to tap Bluetooth and tap. Here you need to tap your device in other devices list. But before doing so, you need to find here on your speaker the power button and the Bluetooth button. So once your device is powered, click Bluetooth to enter the pairing mode. Once done, tap your device, which is called JBL Partybox G2, in the settings, other devices. Now this should go to the My Devices and you're good to go. Goodbye.